Alright, here are the parts for the ATV. They finally came in. We can stick them on. Alright, so we had some parts come in. So we got the seal on there. We've got the speed sensor. That's all good. Got a new air filter, new solenoid. Still waiting on the starter here. And so I'm going to just fill it back up with oil. We got a new filter for this. Alright, so that oil filter was kind of tight. So we'll just replace the filter, drop in some oil. Alright, there we go. Now we'll just drop in some oil. Alright, all the old parts have come out. We've got new ones in there. We're just about ready to go. We got the oil changed, and that's looked like it hasn't been changed in a while. I did check that before I bought it, and I would recommend checking the oil before you buy a used ATV, because you can kind of tell the condition of the ATV. You can tell if it's milky, it may have gotten water in it. If it's really black, it probably hasn't been changed in a while, which isn't horrible like on this one. It's just past due for the change. You should also check the oil level. If it's low, that could be reason for some concern there with engine wear, because it's not getting the oil it needs in all the moving parts. If it's too full, you may have other engine problems like leaking oil seals, smoke from the exhaust, or burning oil, possibly a bad oil pump, and your engine won't run as well. So I hope this video helps you out with some tips there on the oil. Leave a like down below, be sure to subscribe, and I think the starter will be in next so we can get that swapped out. I'll see you in the next video.